Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to build portfolio for tech related jobs. Okay, so in the olden days, that means like around some 10 to 15 years back, whenever you are trying to apply for any kind of tech related roles, your resume was just enough to apply any kind of tech related jobs. Okay, but now in the year 2024, it has become very much important to have a portfolio whenever you are trying to apply for any kind of tech related jobs. Okay, so in this particular video I will just show you some of the websites. I will just tell you some of the websites like where you can build your portfolio and you can just showcase your skills with respect to the technology. Okay, so the number one website where you can build your portfolio with respect to the tech is GitHub. GitHub is one of the popular social coding platform where you can upload your projects, where you can upload your projects with respect to the some kind of mini projects or the POC projects where you can upload and can just showcase you have the skills with respect to the those kind of skills which you are interested. Okay, so GitHub is one of the most popular website where you can build your portfolio. Okay, and the second website where you can showcase your portfolio with respect to the tech related job is LinkedIn. Having a LinkedIn account is very much important if you are a working professional, especially if you are in a corporate industry. It's very much important to have a LinkedIn account to build your portfolio where you can also connect with the people who are in the industry. You can contact or you can connect with anyone through the LinkedIn. Okay, so that's the second popular website where you can build your portfolio. And the third website where you can build your portfolio is HackerRank. Okay, so HackerRank is one of the most popular website where you can build your portfolio, where you can showcase your technical skills. Here you can also participate in some of the competitions. Here you can also get some kind of medals or something related to the skills which you have with respect to the tech. Okay, so this is the third website, HackerRank, and the fourth website is YouTube. YouTube is one of the most popular platform where you can upload the videos, any kind of videos. But if you are interested in tech, you can create the tech videos, and here you can upload it in the YouTube so that you can build a community. You can also build your portfolio with respect to the tech. Okay, so that's the fourth website. And the fifth website with respect to uh, the portfolio where you can build is Kaggle, especially if you are looking for some kind of data science related jobs, or if you are looking for jobs with respect to the data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, or data engineering. Kaggle is one of the uh, most famous website where you can also get the data sets if you want to do any kind of data science projects. Okay, so these are all the top five websites where you can build your portfolio with respect to the tech related jobs. Whenever you are preparing a resume for your job, you can just mention the portfolio, and you can just mention it like my portfolio is this particular website, whether it can be GitHub, LinkedIn, HackerRank, YouTube, or the Kaggle. Then the recruiter or the panelist will check up your that particular website, and they will get to know like what kind of candidate you have, like what are the things which you have done with respect to the skills which you have mentioned in your resume. Okay, so always try to build a portfolio whenever you are trying to apply any kind of tech related jobs. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.